crypto has a reason to exist for the first time. I have some exciting news from the world of cryptocurrency. After many years of speculation and uncertainty, a killer app has been discovered. That is why, despite many drops, crypto values have remained far higher than many naysayers predicted. DeFi, a freshly formed term for decentralized finance, is the primary application case for cryptocurrency. DeFi does not have a formal definition, but it often comprises leveraging the blockchain to borrow and lend, utilizing auction markets to trade in unconventional derivatives, to swap one set of crypto assets against another, and to provide uncommon types of insurance. Profit potential come in part because blockchain eliminates the need for traditional financial middlemen, along with their fees and regulations. Assume you have some money to invest, but government bond yields are too low and you already have a lot of it invested in publicly traded stocks. You might designate some of your portfolio to the Ethereum-based loan auction markets, essentially dumping some crypto into the market and seeing what price it will be given out at. You could wind up with yields of 6% or higher, albeit some of these chances are extremely risky. Right present, there might be $100 billion invested in DeFi. More importantly, these systems are rapidly expanding. Reliable figures are hard to come by, but according to one source, DeFi expanded sevenfold in just a few months in 2020, to a total worth of $7 billion. It's not surprised that investors would find DeFi appealing, especially in today's world of low yields and expensive assets. Consider them to be decentralized markets in the shape of very junky junk bonds. To be clear, I am not claiming that these DeFi applications are socially helpful. It's simply too soon to tell. One complaint leveled against DeFi is that it is essentially regulatory arbitrage, avoiding useful regulations and constraints in the pursuit of greater private advantage. Longer-term consequences could include a financial economy that is more weak and sensitive to recessionary conditions, particularly if DeFi grows in size. DeFi loans are frequently made to non-mainstream borrowers of questionable creditworthiness. But it's also vital not to mix together other criticisms of crypto, such as that it's only useful for speculation or that it's terrible for the environment. The important thing is not to let your feelings about cryptocurrency, whether favorable or bad, influence your thinking. Instead, concentrate on answering only one question at a time. And there is now at least one clear answer to the question of whether crypto is useful for anything. Crypto allows DeFi. You don't have to agree with every consequence of that fact, but it is a reality. One could argue that cryptocurrency is a Trojan horse towards a new and very different financial system. If you've ever interacted with a US bank and had to deal with their bureaucracy and shoddy software, you could assume that they're ripe for disruption. Other countries' banks may be even more exposed. Obviously, as DeFi grows, issues of government supervision and control will emerge. Nonetheless, it appears doubtful that DeFi institutions will be outlawed. DeFi can be run on platforms outside of the United States, and neither American nor European regulators can block me from placing an online wager on a Mexican soccer game. Keep in mind that large areas of the developing world now employ microcredit, with borrowing rates of interest that are frequently 50% or 100% on a yearly basis. Regardless of whether those new institutions satisfy US authorities in every way, it is possible that some of those countries will experiment with DeFi as an alternate means of credit allocation. If you're perplexed by a lot of DeFi, welcome to the club. The perplexing and ever-changing nature of DeFi helps to explain why crypto asset prices are so volatile. If DeFi is driving some of the demand for crypto, and you don't know where DeFi is going, the future of crypto is equally unknown. It is unusual to have such a prominent window on what is effectively the value of a group of businesses. Finance is poised to get much more bizarre, and crypto is only the beginning.
We hope you enjoyed watching and listening to this video. Please let us know your opinion in the comments area below. If you found our content useful, please like it and share it with your friends. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell for more crypto-related contents.